Hello my dear children, welcome back once again. We are into Environmental Studies EVS. Lesson number 16, Safety Comes First. Taken from ICSE Grade 1, Lesson number 16, Safety Comes First. So we'll read the lesson. All of us want to be safe and stay away from danger. Am I correct, children? Yes. This is because we feel pain if we get hurt. To avoid getting hurt, we should follow some safety rules. There are different safety rules for different places that we all see now one by one. So just see over here. So we'll see first safety at home. So what are the safety which we need to follow at home? Never play with sharp objects like a knife or a pair of scissors as you may cut yourself. Never play with electrical gadgets also. These are all for instruction for the little kids. Do not light a candle on your own. Do not try to insert a plug in a socket with wet hands as you may get a shock. Never eat any medicine on your own as it may cause a reaction. So why are these steps to be followed? Because children are very little, they will not know the outcome. So that's why, see, take medicine only from elders. Now we'll see here, children, safety while playing. So what are the safety measures we need to follow while playing? Never play on the road. Play in a park. Why, children? Because if we play on the road, we will get hurt. Be careful while playing in a park during the rainy season as the roads will be slippery. As due to rainy season, the road will be slippery. Be careful while playing in the park during the rainy season as you may fall. If there is no park nearby, find and play in a safe place. See children here. We should not go like this. This is a road. There will be traffic. Never run after a ball on the road, you might get hurt. While playing, do not tease stray animals. They might bite you. So now there is an activity over here as a practice time. We'll see to it. First we'll go for the next one. What are the safety rules? So we have seen two safety rules. The first is at home, what do we need to do? And the second is for while playing, what steps we need to follow. Now we'll go for when we are crossing a road. So we need to follow what all steps. Safety while crossing a road. Ask an adult to help you cross a road. Before crossing, look to your right, then look to your left, and finally to your right again. Cross the road if no traffic is coming from either side. Like so on both the side, if no traffic is there, we need to cross it. Or else we need to take a help of an adult to cross a road. Or we need to cross the road only at the zebra crossing. See, only at the zebra crossing. Walk slowly on the road during the rainy days as you may slip. As the roads will be slippery, so there is a chance you may fall and get hurt yourself. Now we'll see another safety measures to be followed while traveling. See children, safety while traveling. When you are traveling, what are the safety measures? See, wait for the bus or van in a queue. Board the vehicle only when it stops completely. When it stops completely, then only we need to board. Once inside the vehicle, take your seat. Never move around inside a moving vehicle. Do not take your head or hand out of the moving vehicle. See children, like the boy is doing, we should not do so. Do not walk or run in front of a moving vehicle. Never stand behind a parked vehicle. You may get hurt. See children, listen carefully. Safety while traveling. You need to wait for the bus or van in a queue. Board the vehicle only when it stops completely. Once inside the vehicle, take your seat. Never move around inside a moving vehicle. Do not take your head or hand out of the moving vehicle. Do not walk or run in front of a moving vehicle. Never stand behind a parked vehicle. You may get hurt. Now we'll see summary what we have seen all this. So let us recall. Follow safety rules to avoid getting hurt. We should not play with sharp objects or electrical gadgets. We should not light a candle on our own. We should play in a park and not on the roads. We should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. We should stand in a queue and wait for our turn before boarding a bus. We should not move around inside a moving vehicle. We should not take our hands or our body parts out of a moving vehicle. Now we'll see, children, this one. See, this activity we have already done. Now we'll see this one. See, what might happen to these children? Choose and fill the correct words in the blanks. See now, children. What is this? Dog, yes, and child. The dog might dash the child. If he is doing so, if he is catching his tail, dog's tail, what will the dog do? Dog will bite him, right? So see, the option is over here. The dog might bite the child. See, bite the child. B-I-T-E, bite the child. Now, what is here? See, if he is doing, there is a chance, high chance he may fall. The child might fall over. So, fall, F-A-L-L, fall. The child might, if he is standing here and is jumping, so what will happen? There is a high chance he will get hurt himself. So, he might hurt himself, hurt, H-U-R-T, hurt. Now here, see, he is lighting a candle by his own, right? So we should not do so. The child might get burns, B-U-R-N-S, burns. Now we'll see the next one, children. See, do not dash from the branch of a tree. See, what is he doing? He's hanging. So we should not hang from the branch of a tree. Otherwise, what will happen? If it fall, we might also fall and will get hurt. So hang, H-A-N-G, hang. Here, during rains, what will happen during rains? The roads will be slippery. The road becomes slippery. See, slippery. Okay, see. And when the roads are slippery, what will happen? We will fall and will get hurt. Thank you, children. Thank you for giving your precious time and watching the video. Please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed.